Good afternoon everyone. Today I'm showing you a quick video about how you add this little additional display for when you want to listen to music and see the sort of area around you. Obviously this is blurred out because obviously I'm at home at the moment. Don't want you guys creeping up on me. And so yeah, it was actually a feature I discovered on the app for the Mercedes car. If you've got one of them, but I highly recommend you get one of those if you can. But to actually access and have this extra display capability is to access the actual settings menu. And to access that, you're going to want to go to the little car icon down here. Oh, my mistake, sorry. Go to the house on the steering wheel. That brings up a little menu, just like so. You don't want to go to vehicle, you want to go to system. In here, you've got obviously all your display settings in there, and you can add the display from the display and style section. So display and style, so there you go. Additional display area is what you're after. So that adds to the extra display, and you can change what you want to do with that display. So additional display area, you can have it as dynamic, which is the one without the map. You can have your consumption if you wish, and you can have the time and date, or you can have the navigation map. Mine's gone for the navigation map. You turn that on, and that brings on the display. The chances are, if you're not seeing it, it's probably because you've got dynamic on. So make sure you've got navigation map on. Anyway guys, that's a quick video about how you add the extra display. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.